Sales teams don't fail because they can't sell. They fail because their CRM looks like Donald Duck's handwriting after 5 espressos, messy, duplicated, half empty. Meetings forgotten like SpongeBob after a Krabby Patty rush. Fields skipped faster than Jerry running from Tom. And Mario, he's still syncing HubSpot with Salesforce manually. The result? Dirty data, lost leads, and managers playing Scooby-Doo trying to find what actually happened. But AI flips the script. From Otter.ai auto-logging meetings to deduply cleaning duplicates to Gong capturing every call, your CRM finally works for you. Ready to fix sales data chaos? Stick around. Next 10 episodes we would discuss and break it down in details. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now, because your pipeline deserves better.